Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to be building a makeup kit with products under 10,000 naira. I'm going to be building a makeup kit on a budget for beginners and for people that are just getting into makeup and stuff like that. Invest, let's start with beauty blender, because I feel like I can basically do everything with a beauty blender. So you can get like the Blossom beauty blender. It's around like 1.5 to like 2,000. Yeah, you can get that. You can also get Avour beauty blender. It's also around like 1.5 to 2,000. Then for primer, you can use the Rimmel London primer. It's actually very good and it's like 10k now. Before it used to be like 5k, but now things are expensive. I don't know, dollar rate and whatever. So yeah, it's basically like 10,000 now. And for foundation, you can try beauty foundation. They are around from like 5,000 to 7,000, depends on the size you're buying. The smaller one is less expensive, so you can get that one for a start, see how it is on your skin, so you know if you really like it and stuff like that. But the foundation is quite matte, so if you don't want something matte, don't get that. But to me, I feel like the weather is hot. I don't know anybody in Nigeria that is still using like dewy foundation, because the finish is not that. At the end of the day, you still get oily. So yeah, that foundation is very good and it's very cheap. So yeah, it's quite affordable. Then for concealer, you can get two concealers. Either you get the Avour concealer. The Avour concealer is like 3,000 ish. But the one I prefer is the Nuban Beauty. But if you're still starting out, you can use the Avour. It's not bad. I just prefer the Nuban Beauty concealer. The Nuban Beauty concealer is like I just bought it recently. It was like 6,500. I think it was 6,500 or 7,000. One of them. But it's between that range. It depends on where you buy it as well. So that actually depends. Then for brow pencil, that's brow pencil I always use. You can use Hager and Esther brow pencil, is like 5,000, or you can use Davis brow pencil, like the normal Davis pencil that they sell. Normal Davis pencil is like from 500 to like 1,000. I think they have like a new pencil. For eyeshadow primer, you can use the Beecharm Clown White, or you can use the Benign Clown White. Benign Clown White is more expensive, obviously. The Beecharm Clown White is like 3,500, so that would be like a better option if you're just starting out and you're a beginner and you're just trying to build your makeup kit. So yeah. For setting powder, you can use the Beecharm powder. The Beecharm setting powder is around 6,000, or you can get like the Avour powder. I think the Avour powder is like 4k, something like that. Yeah. Then for lip palette, which can also serve like a blush, you can get the Beecharm Ageless lip palette. I'll put everything on the screen so that I can see how it is. And for eyeliner, you can get Zara eyeliner. It's very good, but it's a liquid eyeliner. It goes for like 3,000. But if you don't want to get like a liquid eyeliner, you want something matte, something gel, like with a gel finish and stuff like that, you can go for the Adventure eyeliner. It's very nice. That's what I'm currently using. I didn't really put eyeliner all over my eyes, just like here. Yeah, so you can see how that looks. It's around 2,000 and it's very, very black and very, very matte. I didn't really use so much eyeliner today because I was trying to create a look. Oh yeah, then for Lash Blue, you can use the classic Lash Blue. That Lash Blue chef kiss, I love that Lash Blue so much, and it's very cheap. It's like 2,000. Get the View Beauty powder. I would suggest like you get like the full palette, so you can use it as an eyeshadow as well and to contour. Yeah, but if you want to get like the palettes, they have the one of 6k and they have the one of 10k, so you can get either. You can also get like the pressed powder, so anyone that you want to get, like anyone that is good for you, I would just suggest like you get like 6k powder. Yeah, because you can use it to contour, you can use it as eyeshadow. That's why I used to do my eyeshadow, and yeah, it's very, very nice. if you want like proper eyeshadow, Blossom eyeshadow, their pigments are mad and it's very inexpensive. It's not that expensive, like 8-10k for the palette. And one thing about eyeshadow is that even though you're going to buy 40,000 naira eyeshadow, 50,000 naira eyeshadow, I swear to God, that like you will use that eyeshadow for a long time and it's going to actually be worth it, to be honest. You can get like Zara mascara, still very good for the. Then for setting spray, you can get the super setting spray. It's also on that. I think it's more the small one I just recently got it for like 10k. So yeah, you can get the super setting spray. Or you can get Nuban beauty setting spray. Nuban beauty setting spray is like 5k for the small one, and I think the big one is like 9,000. I'm not so sure because I usually buy the small one because I mostly use just the Soap Pro. I just use that other one to like blend everything in. Do you get? So yeah, hope this video was helpful if you're like a beginner. And lashes, you can get like the mismetic lashes or just go to the store and ask them for lashes. Lashes are usually not that expensive, mostly less than 10k. Yeah, so that is it. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comments. And I think I've covered like all the basic makeup, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.